What's up, guys? It's Logan. So I'm back with another video today, and in today's video I'm going to be getting two barrel twists straight to the back. Basically like two plaits straight to the back, like two fishtail braids almost, but it's barrel twists, so it's pretty cool. I've never tried this style before, and I wanted to tell you guys also that obviously you're going to see, but when I'm doing this style, my hair is not wet, my hair is not washed, my hair is filthy dirty, and this style still works. So this is a style that you can do even if you don't have a fresh sweet twist. As well, I wanted to let you guys know that the guy who's doing my hair is like my best friend. His name is Trey, and he actually does all of the music on my channel. So if you guys are wondering about any of the songs that are on my channel, make sure you go check his YouTube out. His name is Trey Dank. I'll tag it down here or somewhere on this video so that you guys can find him and go listen to his music, stream all of his music. It's pretty much on all platforms. So do that for me. And yeah, peace. I know I haven't been doing intros for a minute, so I just wanted to come and say hi to you guys. There's no reason as to why I hadn't been doing intros. It's mainly just because it's a little more convenient, a little more easy for me to just edit the video and post it without actually coming and saying what's up. But I'm doing fine. What's up? And right now I just retwisted the top of my hair because I just went swimming, and like the back is still like real nappy because I'm finna get a retwist professionally, but I just wanted to do something that's a little I can like go out without looking with a nappy ass head. But basically, if you guys want to see my two barrel twists, continue watching, and make sure you check out all of Trey's music on his channel. Peace.
It ain't shit to a nigga, just do it. Got my foot up in the door, watch how I moving. And if you don't believe me, I'ma have to prove it. Yeah, stopping backs, I get him, then I lose him. Got my gang with me, keep the peace and shoot 'em. Got some lame niggas, we do not recruit 'em. Out of backwoods, rip 'em up, abuse 'em. Out of bad bitches, rip 'em up, abuse 'em. Falling hard, I've been falling short. Gone a long time, running around like sports. Higher than the stars, single like a newborn. I've been balling out in NBA full court. I be feeling like nobody needing me. Every time I turn around, somebody leaving me. Yeah, I'm moving silence, that's the G and G. Moving weight like a pirate in that deep blue sea. It ain't shit to a nigga, just do it. Got my foot up in the door, jar moving. And if you don't believe me, I'ma have to prove it. Yeah, stopping backs, I get him, then I lose him. Got my gang with me, keep the peace and shoot 'em. Got some lame niggas, we do not recruit 'em. Out of backwoods, rip 'em up, abuse 'em. Out of bad bitches, rip 'em up, abuse 'em. If you want it, come and get it. Don't be acting like you don't. If you want it, don't be fighting, come and get it. Know you want it, know you want it, come and get it, come and get it. If you with it, I'll be with it, come and get it. If you want it, baby, don't take long, long, long. How many rounds you wanna go? I be strong, strong, strong. Every faded anyway, go, go, go. You want it anyway, get the ball, get the ball, heavy in the middle of that shit, it ain't shit to a nigga, just do it. Got my foot up in the door, jar moving. And if you don't believe me, I'ma have to prove it. Yeah, they stopping backs, they get them, then they lose 'em. Got my gang with me, keep the peace and shoot 'em. Got some lame niggas, we do not recruit 'em. Out of backwoods, rip 'em up, abuse 'em. Out of bad bitches, rip 'em up, abuse 'em. I was living oblivious. Get me out of this house, I got no one to trust. Thinking how many ways in the ocean to get me by. But like I none of the fish in the sea have stole my heart. Standing on on the stage at a show and you hear no applause. You was running fast into us, you just got out of love. You're not gonna give up, son. Not even the waves in the ocean could take me far. I like there's plenty of fish in the sea, I like them all. Standing in the back of a crowd, you can hear my call.
If this was just 2 years from now, I'd be lost now. I've never been here before. This is foreign ground.
Walk around nappy.
Got a lot on my mind in the night walk. Got me looking at the sky from the sidewalk. Blazing fire at you with my third eyeball. And I know I gotta answer when the night calls. Cut down the middle with a fucking chainsaw. Stuck in the middle, it's my turn to seesaw. Lost school, nigga, stop trying to beat God. Got me looking at the sky from the sidewalk. Night walk. Do you ever cry? Wishing you would die. Them from the lies, late in the night. Do you see the light? Or do you try to fight? Night walk. Pistol by my side, do you wanna try? Try to test die, is it worth dying? Moon really shine, walking in the silence, night walk.